Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Mustang video. In this episode we're gonna be working, we're gonna start with the air intake. And here we have the K&N air intake. After we installing this, we're gonna move into the rear bumper and install the diffuser. I got the rear diffuser in this little box. Another thing on this car, we are gonna be working on the exhaust. This thing is really quiet. It just has a stock exhaust, so we gotta work on that too. So for those who didn't see our videos yet, basically the car from outside, it's already complete. We have the white body, got the wheels, air suspension. Inside the car, everything is changed. So all the work is done except under the hood. And this is when we start working under the hood. And honestly, to open this hood, it's really embarrassing because this thing is so dirty. And this is how this car looks under the hood. Nothing but dust. It's really dirty. Well, good thing that's an easy fix. I'm gonna start washing right now and then we'll start working on the air intake. the intake, it's in, the car is clean. Next thing is to do the rear diffuser and exhaust. Right, so I'm driving right now to the shop to get the exhaust done, and I'm really excited. I wonder how loud this thing can be. I'll probably start with just deleting the mufflers, and then see if it's not loud enough. I'll probably delete the resonators too. We'll see how it goes, but can't wait for that. And there she goes. And this is how quiet this car is right now. You actually barely hear anything. And we'll see when it's done what's gonna do. Alright guys, so the car is home and I want to show you guys. So basically we did delete the mufflers, both of them, but the car wasn't loud enough, so we had to go like somewhere right there and did the resonator delete and put an X pipe. Now I'll show you guys how this thing screams. Right guys, so I heard the exhaust and let me know what you think. I mean, it's a little louder in person than you think it is because I'm filming with the phone, so it loses a little bit of noise, but that was just muffler delete and resonator. I still have the catalytics. For sure, if I delete the catalytics and go straight pipe, that's gonna be so much louder, it's gonna backfire and everything. But here in California, that's illegal, so I gotta have them. Right, so I'm done with the exhaust, I'm done with the intake. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the rear diffuser. Alright, so the diffuser is finally on. Actually, that was pretty easy to install, simple stuff. And this is how they look. I mean, they look really good when I drop the car even lower, but this is the way I drive, somewhere around here, not higher or lower. But yeah, look at them. You guys let me know what you think, if you like it or not. They're probably one of the cheapest one on eBay, and you can't really expect too much out of them, but they do change some design a little bit. Right guys, so this is it for this car, at least for now. Later on maybe we will throw like a supercharged or twin turbo, or who knows, but for now this is it. We're trying to keep a decent budget on this car. That's why I didn't want to just buy the most expensive air intake, or same thing with the rear diffuser. With the exhaust, we just took it to a shop, they did some cutoffs, and it actually works pretty good. It sounds really good, so I'm happy. So thank you guys for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.